Ibinahagi ng Kim Pao na sina Kim Chiu at Paolo Avellino sa isang exclusive interview ang mga plano nila this Holy Week. At ayon nga sa interview ng ABS-CBN, this Holy Week, Kim Pao is hoping for a quieter and more reflective season. Kim wants to go somewhere less crowded to have some alone time. Part of her plan is also to visit the church and give up something as a form of sacrifice. The same goes for Paolo, who prefers to stay away from the usual vacation crowds as he'd rather spend the time reflecting. Ina-assess ko yung mga pagkakamaling nagawa ko o kung paano ko pa mai-improve yung mga parts ng personality ko na tingin ko hindi maganda yung epekto sa ibang tao, he shared. Just like Kim and Paolo, may we all take the Lenten season as a time to reflect and realign with what truly matters. Dahil dito, ay mas lalong ang hinangaan ng mga netizens sina Kimi at Daddy Pao. Ayon sa komento ni Guadalupe Villamor Labandria, wow, very admirable decision Kim and Paolo, for giving enough time to God who provides both of you with so much blessings. And if you are now in a happy relationship, I fervently wish that you will always put God at the center of your God-given relationship, and you will never go wrong. This is just a little advice from a Lola fan. Kayo, anong masasabi nyo tungkol dito? Just comment down below.